Okay, let's make a start. It's IELTS speaking part one. What was your dream job when you were a child?
Well, when I'm a child,
When I was a child.
sorry, when I was a child, then my dream job is
My dream job was.
when I was when I was a child, my dream job was astronaut or a pilot. But because you know that everyone has a dream that he become a pilot or a doctor.
Okay, so when I was a child, I wanted to become a pilot and all
Or
that. Good. Have you changed your mind on your dream job?
Yeah, recently I have changed my mind, and now my plan is that now my plan is migrate on business. So yeah, now I am a now I will be a
Businessman?
businessman.
Okay, what do you plan to do in the future?
My plan in the future, after my bachelor's, I will be a good businessman and along my studies. So yeah, it's my plan.
Okay, what kind of jobs are popular in your country?
In my country, most of jobs are IT or are related computer or medical fields. That's are the most popular job in my country because he because these jobs are well paid jobs. That's why
Good.
these
Now,
are very popular.
good. English is now coming out.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll take time. Don't worry, you'll be fine. Thank you very much. Good job. Your language is good. Just be confident. Go through these topics and you'll be fine. Animals. Do you like animals?
Yes, I like animals. I think they are quite human friendly. Although in Pakistan and Asian countries, people don't like animals as far as foreigners like animals,
Okay.
especially European countries and USA regions.
Good. So to answer your question, I love animals. Or I'm an animal lover. Okay. What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is dog. I think it is quite affectionate with human, and it is also very friendly animal. Although I don't like stray dogs, because they don't like to make themselves clean, and they most dogs I like are Labrador and German Shepherd.
Okay.
To
All right.
conclude, I would say that I love dogs.
Dogs. Very good. What is your favorite wild animal?
My favorite wild animal, I would say, is tiger, because tiger is very lethal animal and it is also very fast. I like this animal because I don't like lazy persons. Same qualities I like to consider with animals, and in animals, tiger is never lazy.
Okay.
So to answer your question, I would say that I like tiger.
But don't repeat to answer your question every time.
To sum up, to conclude.
To sum up, to
answer.
conclude. Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Are people in your country fond of animals?
Yes, people in my country are fond of animals. Rather, I would say that they are getting fond of animals. In the past, they were not quite fond of animals, but now they are considering to like those animals, especially, for example, Persian cats. And in dogs, they are also liking those animals which are also stray, because not every person can afford best
buy,
breed
best
of
breed.
dogs. And
To
I
answer
think
your question.
to answer your question, I would consider that I like animals.
All right.
People in my country like
Good
animals.
job. Just change this thing,
Okay.
replace it with other ones, otherwise all fine. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. That's good. Thank you.